This video, we're going to try and make a connection between scientific notation and place values. These uh, orders of magnitude here, like millions, billions, those mean something to us here with scientific notation. So if I want 4,100 million of something, millions means times 10 to the sixth, times 10 to the third would be thousands, times 10 to the sixth would be millions, times 10 to the ninth would be billions, times 10 to the negative third would be thousands, times 10 to the negative six would be millions, times 10 to the negative ninth would be billions. So we're going to be using those ideas here. Now we're going to write this number in scientific notation, and that's going to be 4.1 times 10 to the 3 and plus 6 is 9. So really what this is 4.1 billion, which we knew that if we looked at this because 1,000 million is a billion. So this is 4.1 billion, or 4.1 times 10 to the ninth. So a beam of light can travel from my house to yours in 600 nanoseconds. 600 times 10 to the negative ninth seconds. Well, we're going to make that in scientific notation here, where we're going to move the decimal place back 2 places. 6 times 10 to the negative seventh seconds. This is in the 100 millionths spot, -7. Okay. You might recognize this prefix giga from memory. Mega means there's kilo is 1,000. Mega means million. Giga means billion. So gigabytes here, roughly, is about a billion. It's a little off from that because our base is 2 and not 10 in computers, but we're going to pretend that 30 gigabytes means that it's 30 billion bytes. So 30 times 10 to the kilo mega giga. So that is times 10 to the ninth, right? Sorry. Did I do this right up here? Yeah, ninth. That's right. Ninth. And this is bytes, but we're going to change that to scientific notation because we need to only have one significant figure in front of the decimal points. This can be 3 times 10 to the 10th because it's tens of millions for its magnitude. All right. Now let's just look at this number here, that this is in millions. So this is 4.394 million. So that's times 10 to the sixth. And then this is people, right? For the population. And this is 732,000. 7.32 times 10 to the fifth, right? Because we're in the hundreds of thousands. That's what times 10 to the fifth is. 10 to the sixth would be millions, right? But we're in the 100,000s position there with that 7. So that's times 10 to the fifth. So that's our relationship between our place values and our scientific notation, that this power of 10 tells us what place value this first significant digit is in. All right. See you for our next video when we use scientific notation to solve some problems.